Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Welcome to our National Career Assessment Examination or NCAE review series. In this video, we'll focus on part 1, verbal ability, where you'll strengthen your skills in vocabulary, reading comprehension, and language usage, the key areas you need to succeed in the exam. Make sure to check out our playlist titled NCAE for the other parts of the review lessons. The complete link to the playlist will be placed at the end of this video so you can continue your review with ease. Let's get started and take one step closer to your future success. The word scarce most nearly means A. Plenty, B. Few, C. Many, or D. Enough. What do you think the answer? Alright? So scarce means in short supply or few. So our answer is letter B, few. The word rapid most nearly means A. Slow, B. Fast, C. Weak, or D. Late. What do you think the answer? Alright? Rapid means happening very quickly. So our answer is letter B, fast. Choose the word that is most opposite in meaning to expand. A. Grow, B. Enlarge, C. Increase, or D. Shrink. What do you think the answer? Alright? So the opposite of expand, to grow, is shrink, to become smaller. So our answer is letter D. The word generous most nearly means A. Kind and giving, B. Angry, C. Careless, or D. Quiet. What do you think the answer? Alright? Generous means willing to give or share. So the correct answer is letter A. Kind and giving. The word fragile most nearly means A. Strong, B. Breakable, C. Heavy, D. Loud. What do you think the answer? Alright? Fragile means easily broken. So our correct answer is letter B, breakable. Analogy question. Teacher is to school as doctor is to blank. A. Library, B. Hospital, C. Office, or D. Store. What do you think the answer? Alright. A teacher works in a school. A doctor works in a hospital. So the correct answer is letter B, hospital. Another analogy question. Pen is to write, as knife is to blank. A. Draw, B. Cut, C. Read, or D. Paint. What do you think the answer? Alright. A pen is used to write. A knife is used to cut. So our correct answer is letter B. In the sentence, the child was exhausted after running all day, the word exhausted most nearly means A. Angry, B. Tired, C. Happy, or D. Confused. What do you think the answer? Alright. If a child runs all day, they become exhausted, meaning tired. So the correct answer is letter B. The audience remains silent during the serious scene. The word silent most nearly means A. Loud, B. Quiet, C. Late, or D. Nervous. What do you think the answer? Alright. Silent means without sound or noise. So the correct answer is letter B. Quiet. Choose the sentence that is grammatically correct. A. She don't like apples. B. She doesn't like apples. C. She doesn't like apples. Or D. She don't like apples. What do you think the answer? Alright. Correct subject-verb agreement is doesn't like. So the correct answer is letter C. She doesn't like apples. Choose the correct verb. Everyone blank responsible for their actions. A. Are, B. Were, C. Is, or D. Be. What do you think the answer? Alright. The subject everyone is singular, so it takes singular verb. So the correct answer is letter C, is. Choose the correct pronoun. This book belongs to Anna and blank. A, I, B, me, C, mine, or D, myself. What do you think the answer? Okay. The phrase should be belongs to Anna and me. This is an object pronoun. So the correct answer is letter B. Let's have some reading comprehension. Read the passage and answer the following items. Carlo enjoys fixing broken gadgets. He watches online tutorials, borrows tools from his uncle, and practices repairing old radios and phones. He hopes to become an electronics technician someday. What does Carlo enjoy doing? A. Watching movies, B. Fixing gadgets, C. Borrowing tools, or D. Selling phones. What do you think the answer? Alright. The passage directly states that Carlo enjoys fixing broken gadgets. So our answer is letter B, fixing gadgets. How does Carlo learn? A. By reading novels, B. By attending concerts, C. By watching tutorials and practicing, or D. By teaching others. What do you think the answer? Alright. The text says he watches tutorials and practices repairs. So the correct answer is letter C, by watching tutorials and practicing. What career is Carlo interested in? A. Teacher, B. Engineer, C. Electronics technician, or D. Mechanic. What do you think the answer? Alright. So the passage says he hopes to become an electronics technician. So the answer is letter C. That wraps up our review for NCAE Part 1 Verbal Ability. Don't forget to check out the other NCAE review videos in the playlist to continue strengthening your skills for the exam. Keep practicing, stay focused, and believe in yourself. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.